Discover the ultimate camping convenience with the best tent cots available. These innovative products combine the comfort of a cot with the protection of a tent, ensuring a good night's sleep wherever your adventures take you. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best tent cot you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which camping furniture you'd like to see in our next videos. The Marchway lightweight folding tent camping cot bed is an excellent choice for campers and outdoor enthusiasts. This cot is ranked as the 5th best tent cot, boasting a robust and steady design thanks to its high-strength aircraft-grade aluminum frame and tear-resistant nylon fabric. It supports up to 330 pounds, ensuring stability with its wide plastic brackets and 8 anti-skid feet, even on uneven ground. Weighing just 6.5 pounds, this ultralight and compact cot folds down to fit into a 17 by 7 by 6 inch carry bag, making it perfect for travel. The setup is quick and effortless, featuring a connecting rod structure with an internal bungee cord and an innovative lever lock mechanism, allowing the cot to be assembled in just a few minutes. Comfort is a key feature, with dimensions that suit most adults, providing excellent support for shoulders, back, and legs. The taut fabric ensures no sagging and remains quiet during movement. An 8-inch height keeps you off the cold ground while providing ample headroom inside a tent. Priced at $69 US. The KingCamp camping cot, ranked as the 4th best tent cot, combines comfort and convenience in one lightweight package. This cot is designed to cater to tall adults and those seeking extra space, measuring 75 by 25 by 4.7 inch when open, which is 1 inch wider than standard cots. Weighing only 4.4 pounds, the KingCamp camping cot is exceptionally portable and requires no assembly. It can be set up or folded down in just 10 seconds and fits neatly into the included storage bag, which has a compact pack size of 14 by 5 by 5 inch. Despite its lightweight design, this cot is built to last, featuring aerial aluminum alloy rods and durable 420D polyester fabric. It boasts a robust carrying capacity, easily supporting up to 265 pounds. This versatile cot is suitable for a variety of settings, including outdoor environments like grass and forests, as well as indoor spaces such as bedrooms, living rooms, and offices. It comes in multiple colors: green, black, blue, orange, and gray, and includes a pillow for added comfort. Priced at $92 US. The Mission Mountain A4 camping cot, ranked as the number 3 best tent cot, offers an optimal blend of simplicity, durability, and comfort, making it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Weighing just 4.4 pounds, this ultralight cot is perfect for minimalist camping and backpacking. It is designed for easy setup and breakdown with only 3 cot stabilizers and 2 rails, allowing for quick assembly and disassembly. Constructed with aero-grade 70/75 T6 aluminum leg frames, the cot can support up to 330 pounds with just 3 legs, providing a flat and supportive surface. The tear-resistant fabric ensures longevity, while anti-slip frame stabilizers maintain stability on uneven terrain, protecting both the cot and your tent. The 75 by 27.5 inch cot offers ample space to stretch out, with a height of 7.8 inches keeping you off the hard ground. Its breathable surface enhances airflow, ensuring a comfortable sleep by maintaining body temperature balance. Backed by a 1-year warranty, the Mission Mountain A4 camping cot is priced at $109 US. The ever-advanced folding camping cot is a versatile and durable sleeping solution perfect for both outdoor and indoor use. Weighing just 11.8 pounds, this cot is designed for easy portability and stability on various terrains. Its 5 U-shaped support legs provide excellent stability even on muddy or uneven ground, ensuring you stay dry and comfortable above the cold, wet ground. This camping cot features a robust steel frame paired with 400D Oxford fabric, offering durability and comfort without sagging. Its rectangular shape and low profile make it ideal for fitting inside tents. Additionally, a side pocket is included to store your cell phone and nighttime essentials, enhancing your camping experience. Setting up the cot is a breeze, requiring no tools. Simply slide the poles into the cover and lock the legs onto the poles through the notches. It is perfect for car camping, fishing trips, beach outings, office naps, or as a temporary guest bed. Priced at $59. The Marchway Ultralight Folding Tent Camping Cot Bed is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. As the #1 best tent cot, it offers exceptional portability, weighing only 4.8 pounds, and packing down to a compact 16.9 by 5.5 inch. This makes it perfect for campers, trekkers, hikers, backpackers, and adventurers who value light and efficient travel gear. One of its standout features is the easy setup. The foldable aluminum shock cord pole structure allows for quick assembly in just minutes, with disassembly being just as simple. Durability is guaranteed with its tent pole-style aircraft-grade high-strength aluminum legs and ripstop nylon fabric, supporting up to 275 pounds. Additionally, its wide feet prevent damage to surfaces. Comfort is paramount with this cot. It is sized optimally for most people, providing ample space for your arms without feeling crowded. 5 heavy-duty rods ensure a flat, sag-free surface, while 10 anti-skid feet provide stability. The off-ground design keeps you away from hard and wet ground, enhancing your outdoor experience. Versatility is another key feature. It's ideal for overnight hiking, trekking, hunting, road trips, and even indoor or office lunch breaks. Priced at just $69. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.